Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about double your money with the 72 rules of financial freedom. If you're looking to achieve financial independence and grow your wealth, then you've come to the right place. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. What is the 72 rule? The 72 rule is a simple and quick way to determine how long it will take for your money to double at a certain interest rate. To use the rule, you simply divide 72 by the interest rate, and the result will be the number of years it will take for your money to double. For example, if you're earning an annual interest rate of 6%, then it will take approximately 12 years, 72 divided by 6, for your money to double. This means that if you invest $10,000 today, it will be worth $20,000 in 12 years. Why is the 72 rule important for financial freedom? The 72 rule is important for financial freedom because it helps you understand the potential growth of your money over time. By using the rule, you can estimate the return on your investments and make informed decisions about where to invest your money. How can you apply the 72 rule in different scenarios? The 72 rule can be applied in many different scenarios, such as calculating the growth of your retirement savings, determining the potential return on a stock investment, or even figuring out how long it will take for your debt to double if you're not careful. Let's look at an example. Suppose you're 35 years old and want to retire at age 65 with $1 million in savings. If you start with $250,000 and earn a 6% annual return, then you can use the 72 rule to estimate how long it will take for your money to double. Dividing 72 by 6 gives you 12, so it will take approximately 12 years for your money to double. By the time you retire at age 65, your $250,000 will have doubled 4 times, giving you a total of $1 million in savings. What are the advantages of using the 72 rule? One of the advantages of using the 72 rule is that it's a simple and quick way to estimate the potential growth of your money. It can help you make informed decisions about where to invest your money and how to prioritize your financial goals. What are the risks associated with using the 72 rule? However, there are also some risks associated with using the 72 rule. For example, it assumes a constant interest rate, which may not be realistic in today's volatile market. It's also important to remember that investing always involves some degree of risk, and there are no guarantees when it comes to growing your money. How can you minimize the risks associated with using the 72 rule? To minimize these risks, it's important to diversify your investments and spread your money across a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help you maximize your returns while minimizing your exposure to any one particular asset class. The 72 rule is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom and growing your wealth. By understanding how it works and applying it to your own financial situation, you can make informed decisions about where to invest your money and how to prioritize your financial goals. Let's look at some more examples to see how the 72 rule can be applied in different scenarios. Suppose you're considering investing in a stock that has historically returned an average of 10% per year. How long will it take for your investment to double? Using the 72 rule, we can see that it will take approximately 72 by 10 equals 7.2 years for your investment to double at a 10% interest rate. This means that if you invest $10,000 today, it will be worth $20,000 in 7.2 years. Another example is saving for a down payment. Suppose you're planning to buy a house in 5 years and need to save $50,000 for the down payment. If you invest your money in a savings account with a 1% annual interest rate, how long will it take for your money to double? Using the 72 rule, we can see that it will take approximately 72 by 1 equals 72 years for your money to double at a 1% interest rate. That's obviously too long for your needs, so you may want to consider other investment options with higher returns, such as stocks or mutual funds. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.